That's my curry goat. That's my curry goat right there. And over there is my rice and peas. That's my rice and peas right there. And back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. This is my coleslaw. So yes guys, this is the moment you are waiting for. When I'm gonna eat my delicious meal. First thing, I can't wait to dive into my curry goat in the coconut milk. Guys, if you never tried curry goat in coconut milk, you need to try it.